In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of the simplest ways to earn free PayPal money online using a free Google trick. By this totally free program, together with a quick and easy Google trick, you can earn up to $5,250. The good news is that you may begin doing this without ever making a financial commitment. Also, this is unrelated to affiliate marketing, and you don't even need to build a website. Sounds interesting? Keep watching to find out how. Before we begin, just a small portion of viewers of my videos are actually subscribed. So, if this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be among the first to use any new and effective method of making money online, and in turn, earn as much money as you can online. Let's begin with step 1, which is to visit Google and perform a search for Google News. Then, click the news.google.com website link. The second step will direct you to Google News, a news aggregator service created by Google where you may find all of the most recent news items occurring globally. You can view all of the available categories here on the left-hand side, including your country, what's occurring across the world, and your local news. From business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health, you may access the most recent business news for your region or the entire world by clicking on Business right here. These news stories will be updated every couple of hours. For step number 3, on each specialized issue, in this case business, new news items will be published. This one was posted an hour ago, this one 14 hours ago, this one 11 hours ago, and so on. In order to use any of these news items to earn money online, you can open them. We'll use this one right here as an example. Now, all we need to do is click on this particular article to advance to the following page. As you can see, I will now walk you through each step of how to leverage this post to make money. I want you to replicate this news story for this step. To demonstrate how this technique works and how you can monetize these Google News articles, I'm going to reproduce 2 phrases from this post for the purposes of this video. Go to quillbot.com to complete step 4. Quillbot.com is a free online application that will professionally rewrite these articles for you, allowing you to reuse them endlessly for free online income. To have the full text rewritten for you, paste your article here and then click the paraphrase button that is located under this box. The best part is that everything is done for you for free. As you can see, we have the original article lines from Google News here on the left-hand side. The revised article is now distinct and available for usage and is located on the right-hand side of the page. With only a click of a button, you can now copy this post that has been rephrased and use it to generate income online. The same procedure applies to all of the items from various categories that are available in Google News and are added to the site every few hours. It's as if you have tens of thousands of distinct articles, each of which you may use this strategy to repeatedly earn money from. I'll be giving you some free extras later on this video, so you may earn even more cash, therefore keep watching. To get free PayPal money in 2022 for you and other viewers in your country, please comment down below in the comment section, "I am from this country." Key in your nation so that I can produce more content that is more suited for your country. And now, back to the video. Moving on to step 5, there are 2 ways you might profit from those revised articles. The first one won't bring you a lot of cash, but the second one can bring in thousands. In reality, thousands of people from all over the world got money from it. Utilizing the website textbroker.com is the first option for today's video. Large corporations around the world, including Yoast, Staples, eBay, and more, partner with textbroker.com. You will be paid by this platform for creating those articles. Of course, you won't need to write those articles yourself since, as I just demonstrated, using a straightforward Google method to make money online, you can easily reproduce them for yourself for free with just a click of a button. You only need to visit textbroker.com and select I write content from the menu at the top of the page. You will then be directed to the following page, where you can read more about how to write articles for TextBroker and how to make money online. TextBroker registration is totally free, so sign up now to start earning money online by rewriting various articles. You may now determine how much money you can make with TextBroker by going to the payment option right here and clicking on additional information. If you go down the following page, you will be able to do this. As you can see, you will receive $55 for every 1,000 words. Additionally, Google News has a huge number of items that are 1,000 words long. Therefore, the earnings will be bigger the longer the article is. You will earn more money if your content is longer and higher quality. Using this figure, let's suppose you could earn up to $666 for writing 1,200 words. The nice part is that you could repeat the process, but keep in mind that this won't earn you nearly as much money as the second way to earn money with free articles. Simply click on free author registration below this calculator to sign up as an author, create an account, and start earning money with those Google News articles to get started with Text Broker. The second option is to use the strength of freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickenGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and others to generate income from those free articles you rewrite. There are many additional freelancing websites besides Fiverr that you can use in order to increase your ability to earn more money than other people. If you use this strategy and sell on multiple freelancing platforms, you can tenfold your earnings. However, it is simply one option to monetize those Google News stories if you only sell on one website. You will earn more money if you do this more frequently. So, if you go to Fiverr.com and type article writing into the search bar, you will see a list of all the different people earning money by writing straightforward articles on Fiverr. However, the fact that they are writing the pieces themselves means that they are doing it the difficult way. And as a result, writing those articles for their clients requires much more time and work for them. Additionally, customers dislike having to wait. You will also be 10 steps ahead of all of your rivals because you can deliver such articles virtually immediately. You will be able to observe that it works, like this individual, and you will be able to make more money than others. Since they started offering this service for $35, they have generated over 700 purchases and more than $24 in profit. This individual charges $40 and has made over 150 transactions. Over 250 sales, $600 in fees, etc. are charged by this guy. However, even with just 150 sales, you might still earn $5,250. These demonstrate that the approach is effective. All of these individuals write straightforward articles for tens of thousands of dollars each month on the highly competitive freelancing website known as Fiverr. Therefore, if you want to earn money, I strongly advise using the other freelancing websites. As I indicated previously in this video, there are numerous options other than Fiverr. You can increase your revenue with this strategy by using multiple freelancing websites. It's quite easy to do and costs nothing at all. The fact that it functions everywhere is the finest part. If you want to learn more ways to legitimately earn money online, then don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on all notifications. Also, leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day!